Another big story we're keeping on top of today is the new India COVID-19 variant that has now been found here in the Bay Area.
Doctors over at Stanford University say they first made that discovery last week. They say what makes this variant more dangerous and even harder to stop is that it's actually two separate mutations which makes it easier to spread person to person. Doctors now doubling down on their warnings for folks to remain vigilant and cautious, especially if you have not received your vaccines yet.
I think until we get at least 75 or 80% or more of the U.S. population vaccinated against COVID-19, we're going to continue to see even small outbreaks of cases. So that's why I think for the foreseeable future, it's still so important that we continue these physical mitigating measures like avoiding crowded indoor events unless everyone's vaccinated.
Right now, it's not known if the variant is more infectious or resistant to vaccine antibodies. KRON 4's Gail Ong working on this story tonight. She'll have a live report in prime time with new details that she's learning.